everyone, Jen Kem here. I'm the founder of the Master Brand Institute, where we guide founders, experts, thought leaders, and entrepreneurs to build a wildly profitable personal brand from the inside out through the power of team, identity, messaging, and experiences. Are you ready to get into today's Reddit story? This week, our story is about dynamic work environments and delving into strategies for addressing offensive comments effectively. Am I the asshole for reporting a coworker after she called me a diversity hire? I'm a recent grad, managed to get my dream job at a highly prestigious company. The competition was super high, and even now, many of my colleagues are extremely ambitious and well-connected individuals from wealthy families. In contrast, I'm a woman of color, of mixed heritage, from a disadvantaged background, and worked hard for everything I have. Recently, I was asked by the company if I was interested in being featured in their marketing campaigns and ads. I did several interviews, photo shoots, video shoots, and tons of promo stuff, and my pictures are on the company's website. I have my own page discussing my experience, and I'm featured on many of the marketing materials released by the company. I was a little taken aback by the amount of exposure and attention, but figured it couldn't hurt. One of my colleagues is another grad. Let's call her Susie. I already don't like that name. Okay, anyway, she repeatedly voiced her displeasure with the fact I am so heavily featured in marketing. She sarcastically said that I'm obviously the favorite and that the company doesn't care about her and our colleagues. It almost felt like she was angry and blaming me. It made me feel uncomfortable, and I tried to keep my distance as much as possible. A short while ago, she invited me to have lunch with her. I thought this was maybe an attempt to start a new page and finally get along. We talked about our experiences so far, and then she casually said that nobody expects much from me. I was confused, and she said that I'm obviously a diversity hire, so they just want me there to look good, of course. I was shocked and hurt, but I didn't argue with her at all after lunch. I brought this incident up by HR. I made it clear how disturbed I was by those comments. Long story short, Susie was fired. It shocked many of the people I work with, particularly the grads, and caused some drama. Some of Susie's friends have reached out to me and claimed that she's now depressed and at the worst point of her life. I've been told that Susie worked very hard for this opportunity and that I destroyed everything in an instant. They said that I was a complete blank for taking this to HR so fast instead of communicating with Susie. Okay. On the other hand, my friends backed me up and said this was completely deserved. Honestly, am I the asshole in this situation? No, Susie is not just the asshole. She's a racist who needs diversity training and understand that what she said to you over lunch was extremely inappropriate. And she could have got away with that back in 1982, but I'm figuring since y'all are new grads, she's about 22 and was born in like the 2010s or something. Girl, racism is not cool, okay? Susie, is that her real name? That sounds like an old lady's name too. Are you sure she was a new grad? Was she in school? Did she go back later? Is that what happened? Because I don't understand how anybody who lives in today's world, in a modern environment, a work environment, that could even be tolerated. So kudos to you for being brave and bringing it up. And good, I'm glad they're spotlighting you. Ride the wave and just keep showing how good you are with your good work. You are not responsible for Susie's mental state of mind. There are plenty of qualified therapists out there, and don't let any of her asshole friends make you feel guilty for whatever she does with her asshole life. I want to personally kick Susie's ass. Okay, here we go. Anybody else? Anybody else want to kick Susie's ass? I'm just wondering. Okay, what are your thoughts? Comment down below. Also, if you found value in this content, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button below. Hit that subscribe button and that little bell icon so you're notified when new content is released. I can't wait to share the next story with you. Until next time.